Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you two of the best free VPN extensions on the Chrome Web Store that don't require sign up. First, open your browser, search for BrowseSec VPN and add it to Chrome. It's one of the best free options available right now. Once it's installed, open it and connect to any country listed. It doesn't have a huge number of locations, but you can use it without limits. Next is CyberGhost VPN. Search for it on the Chrome Web Store and add it to your browser. After installing, open it and connect to any available country. It's also free to use, doesn't require sign up, and works without interruptions. So try these VPNs. I hope this video helps you, so subscribe for more content like this. And thanks for watching.